Want the green spaces but lack the green thumb? Naturesolve is going to help you with any of the soil problems you've got simply, safely, and with lasting results. My name's Jennifer, and I started Naturesolve because I had what some not so lovingly called a black thumb. I wasn't able to get plants to grow, and if you bought me flowers, they were dead the next day. When I found something that worked, I started a whole company around it. Naturesolve utilizes hundreds of bacteria and fungi that we get third-party tested with each batch that's put on the side and the date that's on the side. It's shelf stable for at least 5 years. So you can keep that anywhere. It's not going to get frozen or be in direct sunlight. 3 to 6 ounces, 3 to 6 times a year. You're going to mix that in a hose end hand sprayer, backpack sprayer, irrigation, Venturi pump, any way you get your water out into that soil. And we do encourage you to apply it before or after rain. Unlike fertilizer, it's not going to run off. It's going to get deeper into the soil, helping to increase your soil moisture depth, decrease temperatures, decrease evaporation, and save you on water and fertilizers, because when they can get to the micronutrients, your roots, they're a lot healthier. Your plants are a lot healthier, and your outcomes are something that you can only see for yourself. Thank you for watching. Hit subscribe. We share a lot of information about what the bacteria and the fungi can do for you. Spray it on your compost, your pet waste, and watch what happens there. So hop over to naturesolve.com, NATURASOLVE.com. We're naturally solving for a lot of the problems in soil, water, and waste. Let me know if you have any questions. Always happy to be of service. Thanks for watching.